How to use Fidelity Investments application. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the Fidelity Investments app. This app provides a powerful platform for managing your investments, accessing market insights, and trading stocks. Let's dive right in. First, download the Fidelity Investments app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once it's installed, open the app and sign up for an account. If you already have a Fidelity account, simply log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll land on your home screen, and here you'll find an overview of your portfolio, market news, and watch lists. Familiarize yourself with the layout as it's essential for navigating the app effectively. To view your investments, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen, and here you can see your account balances, individual investments, and performance metrics. You can tap on specific investments for more detailed information. To trade stocks, go to the Trade tab and select the stock you want to buy or sell by searching for its ticker symbol. After selecting it, you can choose to buy or sell, enter the quantity, and review your order details before confirming. To stay updated on market changes, you can set up alerts. So go to the Alerts section and choose the type of alerts you want, such as price changes, earnings reports, or news about specific stocks. This feature helps you make timely decisions. Fidelity provides robust research tools to assist your investment decisions. Head to the Research tab and access stock analysis, market insights, and expert ratings. Utilize these tools to make informed investment choices. If you are new to investing or want to enhance your knowledge, check out the Learn section. Here, you'll find articles, webinars, and tutorials to help you understand investment strategies and market trends. And that's how to use the Fidelity Investments app. With its comprehensive features, you can manage your investments effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.